ServiceMax Zinc is a secure real-time collaboration tool that connects the entire service organization with the people, information, and knowledge they need to do their best work. Built for field service, Zinc powers collaboration and communication across Engage, Service Board, Go, and the ServiceMax platform. Arthur is a newly hired field engineer for Acme Medical Equipment. Acme Medical is growing fast, and Arthur must ramp up quickly. He's preparing for a maintenance appointment. When the work order is assigned to Arthur, Zinc's intelligent collaboration logic automatically adds him, his manager, and his onboarding coach to the conversation. Arthur checks what parts he'll need and what's covered by the service entitlement before hitting the road. When Arthur arrives, he receives a company-wide safety reminder to follow PPE protocol. At the hospital, Arthur runs through his routine maintenance tasks and notices the probe membrane is cracked. It's Arthur's first time servicing this type of ultrasound machine, and he's unsure if this is a serious issue. Using ServiceMax Go, Arthur executes an equipment check and is directed to an automated Zinc hotline to triage the problem. Arthur connects with a live remote expert who initiates a video call and determines the probe should be replaced. With Zinc, technicians can communicate with each other, with end customers, and with dispatchers. And in Service Board, dispatchers can communicate directly with end customers. Since there are no urgent issues, Arthur completes his work. A transcript of all Arthur's conversations is saved with a work order record and accessible to anyone in the service organization. With ServiceMax Zinc, Arthur can collaborate with the right people and get the help he needs at the right time to drive up his first-time fix rate and complete jobs quickly, even as a new field engineer. Back at Acme Medical, Arthur's manager Jill and Anita, the service leader, are reviewing new hire onboarding progress. Zinc helps Anita and Jill reduce new hire time to productivity and ensure the team is connected and aligned. Designed for service teams, Zinc adds structure, automation, and oversight to team communications so the entire organization can collaborate more intelligently. To learn more, contact us today.